Hi everyone. In the last video, I shared how to model a twist ring, but there is a gap between the beginning and the end. So in this video, I will show you how to make a seamless twist ring. Okay, let's get started. First, create a new sketch on the front plane. Then draw a circle and another circle on the first one. And set the diameter to 90. And this one to 45. And make the larger circle to be construction geometry. Then go to circular pattern. Then select the center point and select the circle. Modify the quantities to 6. Here we need to make these little circles to be apart, so we modify the diameter of the larger circle to 91. Then create a new sketch on the right plane. Draw a circle. Make the center and the 0 point to be vertical. And make the circle on the 0 point. Then set the diameter to 800. Next, we go to Features, Sweep Boss, select the profile, and select the guide curve, and go to Options, select the Specify Twist Value. Under the twist control, we select revolutions and set the number to 3. Okay, that's it. Thank you for your watching. See you next time.